Now we take type 7. Is what integration sin x cos x, denominator also sin x cos x with the different quotients will be there. So a cos x plus b sin x divided by c cos x plus d sin x into dx. Here a, b, c, d are constant, may be positive, may be negative. At that time you have to put numerator is equal to k into denominator plus L into differentiation of denominator and find out k and L. Put numerator is equal to k into denominator plus L into differentiation of denominator. Denominator dash means what? Differentiation of denominator. Find k and L and proceed. This is the hint is given. That means what? K and L you have to find out two simultaneous equations you get k and L where k and L can be found out and then substituted. Now in some problems directly also k and L can be found out by adjustments. Now for example one problem we take integral dx by 1 plus tan x. No doubt it is not in that form, but when you write dx by 1 plus sin x by cos x, and that is nothing but integral cos x plus sin x, and cos x will go to the numerator. So cos x into dx divided by cos x plus sin x. Now it is in that form where b is there, in the, just like the previous problem. B is 0. So now this is to be written, k and L is to be calculated by you putting numerator is equal to k into denominator plus L into differentiation of denominator. What I do, I divide by 2 here and multiply by 2 here. That means what? 2 cos x you get it. So that means what? 1 cos x here and another cos x here you write it. And then here if you want to get a denominator plus sin x you write here, one bracket, and then when you added sin x you subtract sin x into dx. Denominator is what? Cos x plus sin x. Cos x plus sin x. Now is it not denominator here and differentiation of denominator, and therefore that half is there only. Integral first bracket by cos x plus sin x is what? 1, and the next one is what? Cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x into dx. Don't you see that half into integration of 1 is what? X only, whereas differentiation of in the second integral, differentiation of denominator you find here. Differentiation of sin x is cos x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So it is log of denominator, differentiation of denominator you find in the numerator, so you can write log of the denominator, cos x plus sin x, then plus c. Now integral dx by 3 plus 4 tan x, it can be written as tan x is written as sin x by cos x. Take LCM, you get that LCM will go to the numerator, cos x dx by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x. Now put cos x is equal to denominator k times of denominator, k into 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus L into differentiation of denominator minus 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Now how to calculate k and L? Compare cos x. Compare cos x. You get here 1 cos x is there, so 1 is equal to here 3k and here L into 4. That is what? 3k plus 4L. Now compare sin x. Now left hand side there is no sin x, so quotient of sin x is 0. Here 4k and here minus 3L. From these two simultaneous equations you must get k and L. So that is our problem now. So what you do, second equation you multiply by 4. So alright, multiply by 4. So that is 0 is equal to 16k minus 12l. First equation multiply by 3. 3 is equal to 9k plus 12l. Now add 12l minus 12l and plus 12l cancels. So 3 is equal to 25k. Therefore k is equal to 3 by 25. Now in the same manner, by the substitution of value of k in the second equation, you get l is equal to 3 by l is equal to 2 by 5. So therefore l is equal to 2 by 25. Now we put the values here. So the problem is equal to integral 3 by 25 into 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 2 by 25 into minus 3 sin x plus 4 cos x into dx divided by denominator as it is 3 cos x plus 4 sin x. Now here 3 by 25 you take here, integral 3 cos x plus 4 sin x by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x is 1, and then plus into dx plus 2 by 25, here it is 2 by 25. Now 2 by 25 into what do you get, minus 3 sin x, integral minus 3 sin x plus 4 cos x into dx by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x. Now this is 3 by 25. Integration of 1 is what? Only x plus 2 by 25. Integration of the differentiation of denominator, you find in the numerator. So it is what? Log of the denominator. Log of 3 cos x plus 4 sin x. Then add a constant c. Next we take a problem. Integral, that is what? Third problem. Integral 2 sin x plus 3 cos x divided by 4 sin x plus 2 cos x into dx. Already the problem is in the standard form. So numerator is equal to, that is what? 2 sin x plus 3 cos x is equal to k into 4 sin x denominator. 4 sin x plus 2 cos x plus L into differentiation of denominator. 4 cos x minus 2 sin x. Compare, let us say, cos x. Quotient of cos x is what? 3 in the left hand side, and in the right hand side 2k plus 4l. Compare sin x. Then different left hand side there is 2 sin x is there, therefore 2 is equal to here 4k and here minus 2l. So second equation, alright, multiply by 2, what do you get here? 4 is equal to 8k minus 4l. First equation as it is you write, 3 is equal to 2k plus 4l. Add both the equations, this gives you 7 and here 10k, because minus 4l and plus 4l cancels. K is equal to 7 by 10. By substituting the value of k in one of the equations, we get L is equal to 2 by 5. Now come to the problem. Say the problem, numerator is of writing 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. You can write k into 7 by 10 into numerator as it is 4 sin x plus 2 cos x, and then L is what? 2 by 5 into differentiation of denominator, that is what? 4 cos x minus 2 sin x into dx, whole divided by, you get 4 sin x plus 2 cos x. It is two problems. 7 by 10 integral 4 sin x plus 2 cos x by 4 sin x plus 2 cos x is 1 into dx plus 2 by 5 integral 4 cos x minus 2 sin x into dx by 4 sin x plus 2 cos x. Now integration 7 by 10, integration of 1 is x plus 2 by 5, differentiation of denominator you find here, so log of the denominator, log of 4 sin x plus 2 cos x, then plus c.